In a world where every click can be a potential threat, ask yourself, is your web application firewall an impenetrable shield, or is it just a paper wall in the face of digital invaders? WAF Rule Sets are a set of rules that protect your applications against various types of attacks, such as SQL injections, remote file inclusion, cross-site scripting, and more. These rule sets analyze requests, detect malicious acts, and block them before they reach your infrastructure without impacting the performance of your applications. Sensitivity levels define how strictly WAF will consider a request as a threat. A request will be blocked by WAF if it obtains a score greater than or equal to the configured sensitivity level threshold. You can set one sensitivity level for each threat family. Each sensitivity level tolerates a defined number of threat indicatives. The WAF score represents this amount of threat indicatives. The more flexible the sensitivity level is, the higher the WAF score it accepts. The most rigid sensitivity levels, on the other hand, only accept requests with a fewer signs of threats. The Threat Type Configuration table is available in the Main Settings tab of a WAF configuration. Threats are categorized into families according to the purpose of the attack. You can also enable and disable protection for each threat family individually through the active switch. Before you dive into customizing, you need an Edge firewall configuration with the Web Application Firewall module activated. In this demo, we create a rule set to block threats from the SQL injection family to prevent attacks that attempt a select query. WAF allows you to create rule sets regarding possible threat types. To define your own set of security rules, implement security logics through the Rules Engine for Edge Firewall. The Rules Engine is a feature developed to help you protect your Edge applications in the context of your own applications. WAF Rule Set is what a set of custom rules for Web Application Firewall is called. These rules are composed of criteria and behaviors. The criteria represent the conditions for executing the rules, and the behaviors represent the actions that need to be executed. The rules are processed sequentially, and if the conditions are met, the behaviors of each rule are executed. Remember that to configure a WAF rule set, you must have an Edge firewall configuration with the Web Application Firewall module activated. Now, let's talk about monitoring threats with real-time metrics. Your WAF configuration generates a wealth of data. Real-time metrics helps you visualize, analyze, and export this information. The Threats and Requests graph reveals three critical series. Regular requests, where all HTTP and HTTPS traffic is analyzed and deemed secure. Threats, representing the volume of detected threats that haven't been blocked yet. And threats blocked, the number of threats effectively blocked by your WAF. If you've got our data streaming service, you can get even more detailed insights, including IP details, access timestamps, attack family, and action mode. Armed with this information, you can fine-tune your WAF rule set sensitivity, reducing false positives. And if needed, we can create an allow list specifically for your application. Learn more about real-time metrics and how to analyze WAF data with the product at our documentation. So remember, your WAF rule sets are your personal guardians, ensuring your applications stay secure and your digital world remains safer. You can find more detailed information about the product and its first steps on the reference documentation. Thanks for watching, and move to the edge.